A very good morning to you all children. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, in the last video, what did we study? Yeah, we have done the lesson, right? We have completed the lesson. Now we are in the grammar part. Yeah, which part is that? Yeah, the chapter is 3, part 1, kinds of sentences. Yes, what is the topic name? Kinds of sentences. Now, let's get into the lesson. Look at the picture and read the following sentences. Yeah, first you look at the pictures, children. Yeah, what you can see, there are two boys talking, and a boy and a girl are talking, and also uh, two men are speaking. Yeah, first you open your textbook. Yeah, kinds of sentences. Yeah, in page number 195. 195. Yes, open page number 195. Yes, there you can see, right? Yeah, what they are speaking. Let's see. Yeah, what are the boys doing? How old are you? Which is your car? Each of the above sentence is a question. Each such questions are called interrogative sentence. Yes, the what these sentences are called? These sentences are called interrogative sentence, children. Yes, what? Interrogative sentence. And look here. Yeah, we do not write a full stop at the end of the questions. We write the question mark. Yeah, what do we write? We do not write a full stop at the end of an question. Yeah, but we use an question mark. Look at the question mark, how it has been written. Can you see, children? Yes, next. Next. Now look at the pictures and read the sentences. By looking at the picture, let's read the sentence, okay? A boy is eating a banana. Yes, a boy is eating a banana. Her mother is a teacher. Her mother is a teacher. The lion has caught the deer. The lion has caught the deer. Yes. Now next, look here in page number 195 itself. Yeah, each of the above sentences say or state something. They make statements. We put full stop at the end of each end of the sentence. Yes, what do they doing? Yeah, look here. Yes, each of the sentences, these all sentences are showing us some meanings. Yes, children? Yeah, it is giving us some statement about something. Yeah, the boy is eating the banana. Yes, he is eating. It is saying the statement. And her mother is a teacher. Even it is giving us a statement. And also the lion has caught the deer. Yeah, even here it is saying us something. It is saying a statement. In way of statement, it is giving us something information. Yes, children. So what they are saying, we have to put at the end of the statement full stop. We have to put a full stop at the end of the statement. Look here, can you observe? At the end of the sentences, there is a full stop. Yes, children, can you see? Yeah. Statements are also called assertive sentence. Yeah, for statements, they also call it as assertive sentences. So next, look at the following pictures and read the sentence carefully. Yes. Now open the door, walk slowly, don't make a noise. Open the door, walk slowly, and don't make the noise. So what these sentences are saying? Yeah, the above sentences gives command. They order somebody or request somebody to do something. They are commands. We write full stop at the end of this command. Yeah, what it is saying? It is giving the order or an request, right? Order, open the door. It's an order. And walk slowly. It's an request. Don't make the noise. It is an order. Yeah, it is giving us the order. So these comments are called, these sentences are called the commands. Okay? Yes. Now let's go in the activity part. Yes, what did we learn today, children? Yeah, about the question mark and assertive sentence and then what? Imperative sentence. Comments are also called as an imperative sentence, children. Okay? Comments are also called as imperative sentence. The command is nothing but ordering or requesting somebody to do something. And the assertive sentence means it gives us statements. Yeah, with the meaning, it gives us the statement. It says about something and it ends with the full stop. But the question mark is the questioning. Okay, it's about the questioning. There will be always the the starting word will be why, what, how, where, which. These words will start from the starting of the sentence and it ends with the question mark. Okay, now we are in the exercise part. Look in your test book, write three sentences and a sentence, a question, and a comment about each of the following pictures. Yes, now look here, I have done for you. Yes, tiger. Where does the tiger live? Yes, the tiger is our national animal. Where does the tiger live is an question. Yeah, and the tiger is our national animal. It is an statement. And do not go near the tiger's cage. It is an command. Yes, children? Yes. Now, the second one, library. The library has many books. Yeah, it is giving us a statement. The library has a many books. And how many books there are in the library? Yes, it is giving us a question. It is a question. Yeah, questioning sentence. And go to the library and read books. It's an command. Yeah, it's an command. Yes, next, a clown. We saw clown in the circus. Yes, we all see this person in the circus only, right? Yeah. What tricks does the clown show? Yes, what are the tricks that the clown shown? They are asking. It is a question, right? The first one was a command. Sorry, the statement. And the third, clown made us laugh at the circus. Yeah, it is a command. Yes. Now, the the telephone director, directory. Yeah, what it is? The telephone directory. Now, the telephone directory has many important telephone numbers. Yes, the telephone directory has many of the important telephone numbers. Do you have telephone directory? Yeah, it is in question mark and show me the telephone directory. It's an command. So now the last one, the fifth one is an pizza. Yeah, now you have to write your own sentences on this. Yeah, there should be a statement and there should be a question and also the command. Okay, now write S for statement, Q for question, and C for command. Yeah, now comb your hair. It's a command, right? So you have to write C. Milk is a complete food. Yes, it is a statement. It is saying us. Yeah. So write it as S. What is your name? Yeah, it is ending with an question mark. Yeah, it's an question. Yeah, I love my pet dog very much. Yeah, it is saying as a statement. Yeah, I love my pet dog very much. So it's a sentence. Where is your pen? It is ending with a question mark, so it is a question. Kindly show your book. Yeah, it's an request. Kindly show your book. It's an request. So write it as C, command. So birds have wings. It's a statement. Birds have wings. It's usual, right? It's a common thing. So it's a statement. So yeah, write as I'm very tired. Even it is a statement. Yes. Draw an apple. It's a command. We are ordering you to draw it. Yes. So it's a command. Write C. Give me your pen, please. Yeah, what they are saying, give me your pen. please. They have mentioned the word please, so it is a request. So you have to write the C. Do you go to the school? There is a question mark at the end, so it's a question. And a mango is a plumpy fruit. Yeah, it's a statement, right? It is known by everyone. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood the today's topic. So we will meet in the next video. Now what is your work means you have to sit for studying. Yeah, and also you should read each and everything that I have taught you in the online class. Even read the grammar one and also the lessons grammar and also the lesson, the question answers. Don't only stick on to the worksheet, just turn your pages of the test book so that you can get more knowledge from the test book. Yes, children, please concentrate on your studies. Don't neglect your studies. Okay? Yes. So, I hope you all understood. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Happy learning.